Now, Meta just launched a new app called Thread. Now, this is a battle between Elon Musk and Mark. This has been a threat to Twitter. Ever since Elon Musk took over Twitter, there has been some boundaries and there has been some rules on Twitter. Example like the blue check is being sold for $8 per month. Recently, Elon Musk maximized the numbers of tweets Twitter users can read every single day. And somewhere around the corner, Meta just launched a new app called Thread. And Thread is a direct competitor with Twitter, and this right now might be a good buy to Twitter. And in this video, I want to show you how you can use Thread, how you can make use of it, and how you can maximize it for your own good. Now, if you are a business owner, if you are an entrepreneur, internet marketer, if you are into any business at all, Thread is a new app you want to take advantage of before it gets crowded. Now, this app is fresh and is new. It just launched and people are already diving into it. Now, this app right now is what we call Thread. It was launched by Meta, a company that owns Facebook and Instagram, managed by Mark. This company is taking over because Meta right now is the biggest social media company in the world, and they are taking over. Right now, people are still knowing about the platform. That's a huge opportunity for you to take advantage of. Now, remember when TikTok newly launched, people were not taking advantage of the platform because they thought the platform was for kids, comedy and dancing. And the business owners and internet marketers who took advantage of the platform in the early stage gain a lot of followers, gain a lot of traffic, and make a lot of money from that platform before it gets crowded with internet marketers and affiliate marketers, and now is more competitive. And this is why Thread is a good advantage for you to jump in right now. So if you're not on Thread right now, make sure you watch the playlist that will be showing at the end of this video to take advantage of this very app, because this very app is here to stay. And Mark is cooking something that we don't even know. Now, Thread is a text-based social media platform. You can also post videos and photos on Thread. You can follow your favorite creators on this platform, and you can also post Thread on this very platform. On the feed of this very platform, you see things and posts from people you follow and recommended content from other creators on the platform. And your post on Thread could be up to 500 characters, and you can add link, you can add photo, you can add videos up to 5 minutes on this very post. You can access the Thread app through your Instagram account by updating the app, then having access to it, or you can download it from Google Play Store. Now, having a complete idea of the Thread app and how to go about it is very important. I have made a complete video showing you how you can go about Thread app, how you can make good use of it, mostly if you are a business owner, internet marketer, how you can make good use of it and how you can jump on it right now before it gets crowded. Now, I've made a complete video on it, and you'll be seeing the video on the card right now, or you might be seeing it on the end screen of this video. Click on that video to have a full understanding of this Thread app and how you can take advantage of it. I believe this content was valuable to you. If you learned something, please like this video and also subscribe to my channel so that you can receive more videos and updates about these platforms and related videos. So thanks for watching again. Till then, I'll see you in this video showing you your screen right now.